Grade 4 Nilgiri, a very warm welcome to you all for your maths class. As it's today, subject enrichment activity and interactive quiz class. Last week we conducted the activity, so obviously this week we will be conducting our quiz. Moreover, it's a very good opportunity we got so that we can practice the quiz based on the based on that lines the same way as your viva would be conducted, right? Someone has unmuted the mic. Please mute your mic, everyone. Krish Pandari, mute your mic. Yes, students, clear instructions to all of you. I hope you all are settled and you all are listening to my instructions. Very first instruction. Students, I am recording this class. I will be sending the recording of this class as well. So if in case you miss any instruction or you forget any instruction, repeat the recording again, see the recording again, because I don't want any child of my class to suffer during exam. Suffer means I will not be able to help you even that time, right? Do you remember the way we used to conduct the examinations in school? During our school hours, how we used to conduct the examinations? Pin drop silence in the corridors, isn't it? So many teachers are working here and there, two observers in the class, two invigilators in the class who take the exam. Anytime any teacher can, I sit straight, I switch on your video and sit straight. Anytime any teacher can come from outside to check you people, are you doing your exam properly? Principal ma'am comes and visit, Paminda ma'am comes and have the visit in examination days, right? To check how the examination is being conducted. Same way you people will be checked. Any person will be can be added in our Zoom class during that time. Maybe principal ma'am can come to check you all, maybe Paminda ma'am can check you all, maybe any observer can check you people how you are giving your examination, right? That time the instructions which I am going to tell you now, these all should be followed, otherwise I will have to cut the marks. You can't say afterwards, ma'am, why did you cut my marks? Clear? Only thumbs up sign if my instructions are clear to you all, right? One by one I am repeating all the instructions. You can note down side by side, or I am sending you this recording, you can see the recording again, right? Now here I go with my first instruction. First of all, I'll give you instructions for your oral exam, maths viva. If I'll say oral exam or I say maths viva, it's one and same thing, you know that, right? First of all, I will be explaining you the instructions for the oral examination. Then I will explain you the instructions for written examination. Haleen, sit properly. It's not the way that you are sitting. Why are you putting finger in the mouth? Keep your hand down. Haleen, keep your hand down. Very good, girl. Now listen, students. Very first instruction, let me start from here only. You are supposed to switch on your video during whole exam. So today as well, I want each and every child to switch on the video. As I will be conducting the quiz on same lines, I will be conducting the quiz in same way. So I want Nilgiri students to switch on the videos, everyone. Students, it's a clear instruction, very, very, very important instruction. Who has unmuted in between? Yes. Listen, students. Sneha, don't speak. I got to know. Students, listen. Very first instruction, your videos should be switched on. So today as well, I want you people to switch on your video. Moreover, students, if there is some internet problem, if you have some problem with your device camera, your computer camera or mobile camera or laptop camera, get it checked by today only, because it's a clear instruction to all the teachers that no child will be allowed to give the examination without video. Clear? It is compulsory that your video should be switched on. Don't tell me afterwards, ma'am, why didn't you let me enter the class? I will not let you enter the class. As much you will, and don't start calling the teacher. You will keep on calling, you will keep on making calls, but you will not be allowed. One thing, video should be kept on during whole time. And when you're giving oral exam, video should be, your camera should be towards your face. When you are giving written exam, camera should be towards your notebook. Okay, set your camera, take the help from your parents one day before, make a practice with your parents, right? So that the camera should be set towards your notebook. Written exam, which are going to start from 16. Right now we are talking about our oral exam, which will be starting from tomorrow onwards. Second, the camera should be focused towards your face, right? Second instruction. First instruction is clear regarding camera. Second instruction, you all should be sitting straight in a silent place. So if in case you people are told to unmute yourself, we should not hear any background noise. Krish, are you listening? If in case your turn comes, we should not hear any background noise because it's an exam. Obviously, it's an exam, right? Okay. So in exam, as you people sit very quietly, so please tell your parents or the members at home that I'm giving exam. It's my final exam. Please. Okay. Give me some space. Give me silence place so that I can sit properly and my teacher can take my exam. Right? It's just a thing of only 10 to 20 minutes. Right, after that your turn will be over and you will be leaving the quiz class, viva class. So just for 10 or 15 minutes your family can give you the silent time, right? And silence please for exam. You know it's how important the exam is. Now second instruction, clear? You should be sitting on table chair. If you don't have table chair, I am not compelling, it's just that you should be sitting straight. Right now I can still see many students rotate, moving here and there. Their hands are moving. Tanish is moving. Sneha is moving the camera again and again. Ekam is keeping his hand on the camera. No, right? Sit straight. That you should look. It should look like that you are sitting straight with some distance from your device, right? Your device should not move. Your camera should not rotate, right? Second instruction. I hope I'm clear. First was video, your face. Second was your position, how you are sitting. Third third instruction is regarding your name. Student, listen, you will not be entered, you will not be allowed to enter the class. You get the message now, host will let you in soon. The host will let you in soon. That host will not let you in if you will not be added with your own name and roll number as you people have written here. Tanish 25, Yaisha roll number this, Ekam roll number 6.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we roll number with our name have to set through Zoom because whenever I log through the portal, my roll number gets erased.
Okay, fine. You please take help from some elder or you can ask from your class teacher. How she will help you. Okay. But you should be at least added with your own name, Sahibjit, full name. Don't get added with your parents' name. Right? Yes, Vachi.
Whenever I joined the class, I used to change my name.
No, that's what I said. Sneha, you cannot change your name afterwards. You will not be able to change your name afterwards. The way you have changed today, first it was Alokita, then you changed to Sneha. You cannot do it during exam because your teacher will not let you in only. So very first, when you are trying to come to the class, you should change your name that very moment, first only. If you are having problem in that, take help from your class teacher today. Call her or message her. Right? She will help you. Your class teacher is there to help you for these reasons. This is the reason I'm discussing today so that you can ask your queries from her, right? Drop the message or contact her if in any case you have any problem. But these are the instructions to be followed for exam. This is the reason we are spending much of the time of this class for these instructions. Great? Clear? Third instruction I am clear with. You should be added with your own name. Otherwise, no teacher will enter you in the class. Fourth point. You should not be added with more than one device. Sometimes Neha says, ma'am, I am going to add with some other device. Please add me from there. Add me from here. No. Once you check your device, you want first only that it's working properly. It will not be, connection will not be lost. Then you sit for your exam, right? You cannot say in between, ma'am, I am coming from that device. Please add me, because it will be considered as cheating case. Maybe some other person is also added with your own name and having cheating case. Okay. We don't allow this. We don't allow this. Wait, Nancy, I'll be taking the queries later. Wait, let me clear up all my instructions. I'll be taking the queries later on. So you should be added with one device only. Okay, we should see the name coming once only, right? Now, listen, now comes my Viva, my mathematics Viva. Special instructions for my mathematics Viva, which is going to be held on 9th, I guess, right? 9th September, you have mathematics Viva. I hope so. For both math and science, for both. Listen carefully. I will be dividing the class in 2 or 3 slots, right? Listen very carefully. If the total time is supposed from 9 to 10:20, I will be dividing that time in 3 slots, maybe of half an hour or 2 slots. It's up to me. I will decide what I'm going to do. Means the class will having either 2 groups or 3 groups. Groups we are calling as slots, 1 slot or 2nd slot, right? I will be giving you the list. I will be sending the list to your class teacher. She will be sending you 1 day before or 2 days before, right? So that you should be prepared. That list will have time in it. That roll number 1 to 10 have to enter from the portal during this time. Understood? You people have to see your time, at which time you have to enter from the portal, right? The time will be written in that time slot. Now, let's discuss about one group. Suppose slot 1 has entered at 9 a.m., right? And it has 10 roll numbers in it. Okay, let's discuss example of one slot. First slot, I hope no teacher has explained you in that detail. No teacher has explained you yet na in this details. So if I am explaining you, this will be helpful for other exams also. If I'm explaining you, respect me, respect your teacher, okay? I am so minutely, so details I am explaining you all the rules. Isn't it? All your queries are getting solved now, na? The way I am explaining. So listen to me, bache, okay? It can be very helpful for you because I know my students are facing problem these days. They are not getting the instructions. This is the reason I am spending my full period in explaining you the instructions, right? It will be really, really helpful for you. Now, suppose let's talk about group 1. Okay, group 1 has entered, 10 roll numbers have entered. Now, I will be adding only two students at one time. I know slot 1 has joined from the portal, but students, even if you have joined roll number 1 to 10, you will be getting the messages on the screen that host will let you in soon. Host will let you in soon, because I will be entering only two students. I don't want all the students to listen my questions. So at one time, I will, if I will start from roll number 1, roll number 2, I will be allowing only 2 roll numbers at one time. When their turn will be over, they will be giving the answer. I will tell them to leave, and then I will admit the next 2 students. Is it clear? By the time you have to wait, you have to log in and you have to wait. You will be getting that message, host will let you in soon. You have to keep on waiting. Just enter at the time which is given in the slot. Suppose if the time is given 9 a.m., enter at 9 a.m., log in at 9 a.m., and wait for your teacher to allow yourself to enter. Don't create panic. Don't start calling your teacher, ma'am is not letting me in, ma'am is not accepting my message. No, you have to wait for your turn. Your teacher knows at what time she has to enter you. Clear? You log in at your time, I will be entering you people at my time. Clear? I can pick any roll number randomly from 1 to 10. If the group I have 1 to 10, I can pick 7 first, 6 first. So be on time, right? And wait for your turn. Don't panic the teachers, because I think I have cleared all the instructions very detailed, right? Next instruction about your dress code. You have to wear your house t-shirt, summer house t-shirt. Don't interrupt in between. Let me clear my words first. Let me complete my words. You have to wear your summer house t-shirts, right? If in case you don't have your summer house t-shirts right now with you, you have to wear your school summer shirt, right? Summer school shirt, light lemon color shirt, school shirt, which you wear in summers. If in case you don't have that also with you, suppose you're a new child to school, you don't have even that, you can wear white shirt or white t-shirt, plain white or plain white t-shirt, right? If in case you don't have that also, you can wear any light color t-shirt, light pink, light lemon, light cream color, right? Thumbs up sign if I'm clear to you all. Now tomorrow onwards, your exams are going to start. These dress code video instructions are for every exam, right? Tomorrow onwards, you have to start following these instructions. I hope I have cleared your queries for other subjects as well. Okay, so give me a big smile on your faces so that we can start with our revision. Those students who have still not switched on their videos, let me clear them again. Today's class, we are going to have the revision of the Gaiva.
Ma'am,
So
can
you
you
are
please
supposed to.
explain that slot one?
What are you asking, Sahib? Sahib, what did you ask?
Ma'am, can you please again explain that?
What to explain? Complete your words.
Ma'am, can you please explain slot one again?
Which one? Slots one. Slots one.
Now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Saibjit. Saibjit, I will be sending the list to your class teacher. There the slots will be written. Suppose in slot A, we have roll number 1 to 10. Suppose I have divided the whole class in two slots. Slot A, roll number 1 to 10, and rest of the roll numbers in slot 2. So I will be giving the time on that page, on the list which your teacher will send you, that you have to log in from the portal at that time only and wait for your turn. You will log in and you will wait. You will be getting a message that your host will let you in soon. Your teacher will add you at her own time. You have to wait. You have to log in and wait for your teacher to enter you. Okay? Don't start calling the teacher because she will not enter you that very moment. Am I clear to you all? She will not enter you that very moment. She will enter you according to your roll number. But you have to log in and wait. Yes, Nancy?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a question. Can I ask?
Yes, Suchi. Ask please fast.
Ma'am, when
I asked from Nancy. Sneha, wait. I asked from Nancy first. Yes, Nancy. Nancy, I can't hear you. Check your speakers. Yes, Sneha.
Ma'am, whenever
Sneha, complete your words.
whenever I used to type my name before I start my class, then still when I came in the class, when I enter Lokita's class.
So your teacher will help you, but you take help from your teacher, from class teacher. She will guide you, right? These queries you can send to your class teacher. She will guide you. I have explained you the main instructions which you are followed. Now how to deal with it, check your class teacher or ask from any other person who is expert in that. Okay, that person will help you. Now students, switching on to our today's quiz. I will be calling the name one by one. When I'll call the name, I will be calling roll number 1. You have to say yes ma'am. You have to say your name and then roll number, right? Suppose who is roll number 1 in the class? Is roll number 1 present here? I think no. Roll number 2. Is roll number 2 present here? Yes, unmute yourself. You have to unmute at that very moment, roll number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
When I have called roll number 2, you will say Amaira Chauhan, roll number 2. Okay, like this. So let's practice again. Mute yourself. Do we have roll number 1? Okay, roll number 2.
Amaira Chauhan, roll number 2.
Yes, Amaira. The question for you is, I'm going to share a screen with you. You have to tell me the answer of first question. Question number 1, find the LCM of A part only you will solve 5 and 10. What will be the LCM of 5 and 10? Oral rules. Check for the rules. What were the rules explained to you?
Ma'am, if 5 come in 10 table, we have
10 come in 5
if,
table.
Yes.
Then
10 come in 5 table, and then if 5 come in 10 table,
yes.
Then
what is the LCM?
LCM will be 10.
Very good.
And HCF will be 5.
I was just asking about LCM. Good. Quick answer you'll be giving ma'am 10. Okay, very good. It's a Viva. Good. Next child, roll number 3.
Ananya Sachdeva, roll number 3.
Very good. Yes, next question for you. LCM of 6 and 36.
36 comes in the table of 6 and
what is the LCM? LCM then, what is the LCM?
36.
Very good, thank you. Roll number 4. Roll number 4. We don't have. Roll number 5. Who is roll number 4, roll number 5? You people don't know your roll numbers? Nilgiri? Yes. Roll number 4 is Arush Agnihotri. Not here. Roll number 5, Ayan Saini. Not here. Roll number 6, Ekamveer. Roll number 6, Ekamveer.
Ma'am, Ekam.
Yes. Speak your name. Ekam, roll number 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Now speak the answer. Yes. Next answer for you. LCM
Ekam
of
roll
10.
number 6.
Yes, LCM of 10 and 100. Kabir, your marks will cut. Sit straight. Keep your hands down. Yes.
Ma'am, answer is 10.
Answer is? Bacha, I am asking LCM. LCM. Ekam, when we are talking about LCM, the LCM is the bigger number. Ekam, I am asking the question C part. LCM of 10 and 200. What is the LCM of 10 and 200?
200.
200. Are you clear with the rules or should I explain you again?
Ma'am, clear.
Great. Thank you. Next, roll number 7. Gurashish, roll number 7. Is Gurashish here, roll number 7? Students, give me a...
Ma'am?
Yes, students. Yes, students. Can you all hear me? Thumbs
Yes,
up signs.
ma'am.
Thumbs
Yes,
up signs.
ma'am.
Only thumbs up signs. Fine. Yes, students. So now coming back to our point. Oh, Summer is in the uniform. Very good, Summer. Today you are in uniform. Okay, great. So students, listen. Roll number 8. Gurashish. Sorry, roll number 7. Gurashish. We have with us? No. Roll number 8.
Ma'am, Gurkirat Kaur, roll number 8.
Very good. Next question for you. LCM of 7 and 11. Think for the rule properly before you answer.
Ma'am, 11.
Wrong. Wrong, Gurkirat. Does 11 come in 7's table? 11 ones are?
Ma'am, 7. 11.
11 twos are 22. 7 is not coming. If you start counting 7's table, 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are?
Ma'am, 77 is the answer.
Very good. So that's why I told you. Bache, here I have given you the next chance. In Viva, I will not give you chance. I will say wrong and marks 0. Understood? So students, before you answer, think for the rules properly. Okay, Gurkirat? I am pretty sure that you were knowing the rule, but you got confused. Isn't it? You just didn't check the question carefully and you answered. Isn't it, Gurkirat?
Yes, ma'am.
Or do I need to explain you the rules again?
No, ma'am. Now I'm understand.
Yeah, you were already knowing, but you didn't see the question carefully, right? So check for the rule first, whether the two numbers are coming in each other's table or not, right? Good. Next question, roll number 9.
Yes, ma'am. Harleen Kaur.
Very good, roll number 9. Yes, LCM of 11 and 3.
33.
Good. And what will be the HCF of 11 and 3? Harleen only.
11 and 3.
HCF. What was the rule if the two numbers are not coming in each other's table? What was the HCF? LCM was the multiply of 2. So you told 11 3s are 33, right? What will be the HCF in that case?
3.
1.
Ma'am. It was divided.
Beta 1. I told you when the two numbers are not coming in each other's table, their HCF is always 1. There?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, roll number 10. Roll number 10. Not present here. Roll number 11. Kabir Singh. Roll number 11. Kabir Singh, where are you going? Roll number 11. Kabir Singh. What happened to him? What is he doing? Kabir Singh. Roll number 11. He is facing some problem, I guess. He is not able to hear us. Roll number 12.
Yes, ma'am. Krish, roll number 12.
Okay. What is the HCF of 5 and 10?
Ma'am, 5.
Very good. Thank you. Kabir, can you hear me? Unmute yourself.
Yes,
What are you doing, beta? From last 5 minutes, I am calling your name. What were you doing? Where were you? Where were you going and calling anyone and somebody? What happened? I didn't hear what you said.
I was in the meeting only.
You were not in the meeting. I could see your video. You were going here and there. You were calling someone. I was calling your name because your roll number came and you didn't answer. So I have switched on to roll number 12 now. Don't do this in exam. You will miss your turn. You will get 0 for that. Teacher will call your name once and she will switch on to next roll number, right? Now Krish turn has come, but you were missed. Krish, correct answer. Now Kabir Singh, unmute yourself. Kabir Singh, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Question for you. HCF of 6 and 36.
36.
Bache, when we talk about HCF, it is always the smaller number. LCM is the bigger number. HCF is the smaller number. So which one is smaller out of 6 and 36?
Ma'am, 6.
So what will be the HCF?
HCM.
So what will be the HCF?
HCF.
Bache, right now I have explained that HCF is the smaller number out of the two. So which is the smaller number? 6 or 36?
Ma'am, 6.
So 6 is the HCF. Answer me. Okay? Mute yourself. Roll number 13. Mute yourself, Kabir. Roll number 13. Do we have 13 roll number here? Next, 14. 15. 16. 17.
Yes, ma'am, Mankiran.
Which roll number?
Ma'am, 16, Mankiran.
Yes, speak like this. Mankiran, roll number 16. Speak like this, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Mankiran. HCF of 10 and 200.
Ma'am, 10.
Very good. Mute yourself. Roll number 17. 18. 19. 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak.
Ma'am, roll number 20.
What's your name?
Ma'am, roll number 19.
Roll number 19
Ma'am,
is
roll
here.
number 19.
Okay, speak your name.
Ma'am,
Roll number
yes.
19.
Ma'am, Panav Dogra.
Panav Dogra, roll number 19. Okay, speak full like this. Panav Dogra, roll number 19. Like this. Okay. Yes, Panav. Question for
Panav
you.
Dogra.
Very good. Question for you is, what will be the HCF of 7 and 11?
Ma'am, 1.
Very good. Great. Roll number 20.
Ma'am, Saib, roll number 20.
Very good. HCF of 11 and 3.
Ma'am, 1.
Very good. Mute yourself. Roll number 21. 21. Samar Arora is 21.
Samar, roll number 21.
Yes, Samar. Any number multiplied by 0 gives the product as 0. Is it true or false?
Ma'am, false.
Can you please give me the reason for that? Any number, you take example of any number. Take example
Ma'am,
of,
because 20 plus 0 is also.
speak again, Samar. Speak
Ma'am,
again.
579 multiplied by 0 will be 579.
Beta, wrong. In multiplication, 0 is like a big hole. Now listen carefully. Always think that 0 is like a big hole in multiplication. Any number you multiply with 0, it will go into 0's hole. It will become 0. Any number always multiplied by 0 will give 0. Clear? Don't be confused. 1 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Clear? So don't get confused here. Okay? So this statement is true or false?
True.
Very good. Mute yourself. Roll number 22. Do we have roll number 22? 23?
Ma'am, we don't.
Number 23.
Okay, Sneha. Question number 4 is displayed for you here on the screen. Any number multiplied by 1 gives the product as dash.
Its own number.
Can you give the example of that?
Ma'am, like 2 ones are 2.
Very good. Mute yourself. Roll number 24. Roll number 24, Soham. Why I'm not getting any answer from your side? Yes.
Ma'am, roll number 24.
Very good. Soham, question number 5 is displayed on the screen for you. Question number 5 is displayed on the screen for you. 67 divided by 1.
Give the question.
What will be the answer? Any number divided by 1 gives the answer as?
67.
Speak again.
Ma'am, 67.
67. Very good. Any number divided by 1 will give the same number as answer. Good. Thank you. Mute yourself. Next, which is roll number? Som, you were which roll number?
24.
Okay, roll number 25. Do we have 25? 26? Tatsat, 26. Be quick to switch on your video and mic. Don't be so late, Tatsat.
Yes, ma'am.
You should
We
be
have
quick.
26.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's it. Question for you is, without actual calculation, find the quotient and remainder. You remember we did the easy calculation without doing the division. When any number is divided
Yes,
by 100, how we used to calculate its remainder and quotient. Can you please explain? A part. We have 2 zeros after 100. So what will be the remainder?
56.
54, bache. Last 2 digits we have to check. Last 2 digits. 54 will become remainder and rest of the number will become quotient. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be the remainder?
54.
And quotient will be? Rest of the number which is left, that will become quotient. What is left after 54?
2.
56 is left now. 54 you have told, ma'am, 54 is remainder. So which 2 numbers are left? 56
Yes,
is
ma'am.
left. That will become quotient, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Solve the B part. Tatsat only will solve B part.
23.
23 what? Don't give the short answers. Explain me which is remainder, which is quotient.
Remainder will be 23.
Wrong. I told you remainder is the number which we start checking from the last. First of all, check how many zeros are there in 10. There is 1 0. Means you have to pick one number from the last for the remainder. Which is the last number at one's place?
0.
Beta in dividend. $234, which is the last number in 234.
1.
Beta, dividend is given to you, na? 234. It's written na in the statement B part, 234. In 234, check which digit is at one's place. 234. Which is the digit at one's place here?
4.
4. So that 4 will become your remainder. So what is the answer for remainder? You will say, ma'am, 4 will become remainder. Rest of the number which is left, it will become my quotient. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope this question is clear to rest of the students as well. If you have forgotten, today you have revised again, right? Thank you, Tatsat. Mute yourself. Roll number 27.
Yaisha Taneja, roll number 27.
Very good. Yasha, question number 7 is displayed for you on the screen. 100 divided by 10.
Gives the question as, ma'am, it gives the question only 10.
Very good. Because 10 tens are 100. Very well answered. Roll number 28. How many students do we have total in Nilgiri? Is there any roll number
Ma'am,
28?
27.
27 only? Okay. So student, this was the criteria of giving maths viva. I hope the way I have conducted, you people are clear with it. Thumbs up sign if you enjoyed the class and you all the instructions are clear to you all. Were the questions interesting? You might be thinking, what oral questions can be asked in maths? So look, we can ask the maths questions like this. Okay? Yes? Your class time is about to over, students. Thank you, students. I hope that today's class was productive and fruitful for you all. Okay, right? Thank you.
Today class is very easy.
Okay, thank you. Bye, students.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving us time for the
Okay.
instructions and the work.
Always welcome here. Bye, students.
Bye, ma'am.